Okay, so this is going to be an extremely quick video, just showing you guys how to put a carbon fiber overlay in your 2021, 2022 F-150s. Let's just jump right into it. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and clean the surface. This is a little extra tape that they gave us. This is 70% rubbing alcohol. 70 or above is going to be just fine for this. I already went through with a blow dryer actually and try to get off any little particles. This is to get off anything big that's on here. My girlfriend's a pretty big klutz, so I might have some food or something on this dash that you want to get off first. So it's going to fit on here perfectly. You're going to want to take off every one of these little ones, even the one on the bottom lip. But first things first is I would test fit yours, make sure it fits right. This one does, it's just like a glove. So that's what's going to look like when it's done. If you didn't notice, I've already done this one underneath and this one right here on the side. I just want to show you guys this main one because it'd be kind of a dull video if I showed you each and every one of these. But let me go ahead and peel off these stickers and show you what to do next. So next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to heat up all the adhesive. I think it just gets it more sticky and kind of activates it. Don't do it too much, I think it'll dry it out. But this is just what the instructions say to do, so I'm going to do it. All right, as soon as that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over. Moment of truth. Now something to note here is once this baby's on, it is on. There is no taking it off. So be very, very cautious when you're putting it on. You do not want to mess it up. I think I might have got it perfect. Get that top on and then this bezel right here. And then you're gonna want to hold it for, I'm gonna turn off my air because I feel like my air is like touching it. Let me see here. And you're gonna want to hold it for a minute in about every area. It sounds long, but remember guys, don't take shortcuts on these things because it's very obvious and you can see when people don't really try their best on it. Oh man, this came out really, really good. It covers all the black, you don't see any of it. It fits perfectly around the trailer backup assist right here. If you guys don't have trailer backup assist, they do have a model that this is just carbon fiber on this side, perfectly around the button for the upper dash. I mean, man, I am extremely happy with this. So after I'm done holding it, I'll show you an overview of what everything looks like. All right, there it is. It is all in. I think it looks amazing. There's like no gap at all, which is really, really nice. It looks OEM. Don't mind all the little red. That's just me being lazy and throwing them on the ground. It goes really well, especially with like these cup heroes right here. There's one for right here. There's also one for the rear cup holders. I'm gonna get the whole set, one that goes around the gauge. Let me know if you guys want to see what it looks like when I get all of them in. But I just kind of wanted to show you. I know there's no videos out there about this for the new 2021, 2022, 2023 F-150s. Really, really classes it up. Really makes your truck stand out from the others. And yeah, I think it's really nice. Hey, if this isn't the first time to my channel, make sure you subscribe because I'm gonna have a lot of awesome little things like this coming up all the time. And you're gonna wanna see all of them. Let me know what you guys think down below and thank you so much for watching. Peace.